Welcome to part 2 of our boys trip. We went to Elim Beach in North Queensland to do some camping and to see how my new Prado handles some of Australia's toughest beach tracks. In today's video, we travel from our campsite along the beach to the coloured sands. Unlike the track to Cape Bedford, the track to the coloured sands was not challenging at all. As long as your car has the clearance to get on and off the beach, you shouldn't have many issues once you are actually on the beach. Be sure to check the tides as there are multiple choke points where you'll get stuck if you time the tides wrong. If you haven't seen part 1 of this video, I'll leave a card at the top of your screen if you would like to check it out. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe as I have more Prado, camping and photography content on the way. I'm also starting a new build in the not too distant future that you won't want to miss.
Whose tracks?
Hey beauty.
Empty. You know what empty means?
I know what empty means.
What do you reckon? Just follow his tracks?
Yeah.
Looks like he made it.
Can't really go anywhere else, so let's do it. What a cool beach.
It's amazing. Look at the pebbles, they're so beautiful and round.
So beautiful and round.
We're literally already at the cold sand zone.
Yeah, I don't know how much further along like we can or really should go, but
Well, he said,
He
like,
said
not
there's a-
past the kite surface,
Yeah, he
but I
said there's
don't
a-
see any
is that
kite
what he
surface.
said?
Yeah.
Big,
Yeah.
not past the kite
So
surface.
there's a kite surfer
They're
property.
not
or
kite
something.
surface, yeah. I'm pretty sure, like you see the treks when they stop and stuff like that.
No way to explore Australia like full ball. I think we got further to go.
Sometimes when you have water running over sand like this, it does go soft, but it doesn't look like this is. Looks pretty good. Should be good.
I'll do a massive burnout in his face. You ready? Watch this. Look at him, look at him. Ready? It's like, nah, seriously, get in the car. Okay, joke's over, get in the car.
How much time
It's like, geez, stop stuffing around, would you get in the car?
You want to try walk up?
Look at all the sand coming down off you guys. That's so cool. Look at that. See how it's going over the black sand?
Yeah.
Looks like a little sea.
White sand is that.
Alright, let's get out. Let's have a look. Might as well. Got nothing else to do. Davide's disappeared, so.
your sausage is on fire.
Sausage caught fire.
My sausage is on
Yeah,
fire.
I think we got a little bit too much water there,
goes.
actually. Oh yeah, I can see it happening.
The sausage is on fire. This sausage is on fire.
Right.